Hi, another video from Lederhosen Salesforce. Here's the thing, as I've been enabling Lightning now for a little while, like we all have, and one of the things I've missed is this. And that is the new sharing settings, which are right here. As you're moving over from Classic, it says social events, enabled notes, right? Things like the other video on files, where files lets you look inside the content, inside the actual package, and search for a single word, an image, right? And then you can link it to SharePoint or to your G Drive or whatever, right? Here it says shared activities, right? Set up shared activities to let your sales reps or whoever relate multiple contacts to an individual event or task, like follow up with these 25 people, or follow up or do a seminar with these 10, or invite these 5 to our dinner, right? That's what that's for. But the limit, I think, is 50 because it just displays nicely in Lightning. So once you enable shared activities, call these 5 people for our local San Francisco seminar, right? And here are the settings. Enable group tasks, as in a group. Roll up activities to the contact's primary account, right? Do you want to enable a sidebar? Do you want to create recurring events? So every 2 weeks, you call your top 25 customers to make sure everything's okay. Tasks, reminders, enable user control over task assignment notifications, meaning, hey, I'm the boss and maybe I can assign a task. Show simpler new task form on mobile. You need that, right? Enable multi-day events, meaning like Salesforce DX that I'm doing next week or have done. And with that, I want to say this is the new thing, the Lightning sharing activities enablement, and set it up. Once you enable it, you can't reverse it, because one event, one task, up to 50 contacts can be associated. Thank you so much. It's another great feature of Lightning. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, please email me or put it in the comments below. Thank you.